Hi, I'm Derek. I want to take a moment to show you the new 3 Series Gladiator by PhiBer. There's 6 reasons why this blade is the industry leader. I want to take a moment to show them to you. The first is the strength. From this hitch connection down to the cutting edge, we got solid plates of steel, no welded connections. The other thing is that our box is 50% deeper than anybody else. It's like getting your hands further apart on the shovel and giving you so much more power. This whole center spine is designed to be a generational tool so that you have the strength for the years to come with all the different tractors that are going to come to the market. The next one is the shape of our blade. It's a very deep C. This allows us to carry a lot of dirt, quite a bit more than our competitors. Probably our 18-foot is similar to a 20 or 22 from others, so we can carry so much more dirt. The other thing that's unique is we have a new patented option with this tilt in the hitch. And what this allows us to do is to take this blade and to rotate it back. And by doing this, we can go dig a 10 to 12 inch deep ditch or roll it forward and maintain roads. You get about 2 inches of crowning on driveways and roadways. So a really neat feature, can be added later if needed. The other thing is our indicators. We have great indicators, really visible, easy to read, lots of information that's given there. Our cutting edge. Our cutting edge is very vertical. By keeping it vertical, it does not hop under power like others do. We also have a relief behind our cutting edge. So what allows the dirt to come as it's cut, it can roll up the blade. It's not smeared up, saving a lot of horsepower in cutting. The last thing is just the weight. We're one of the heaviest blades on the market, but it's not just about being the heaviest, it's about where our weight is. Or we have a very robust back end. For every pound we have here, it's like 2 pounds on the cutting edge. This allows us to cut through clay and really hard soils and be one of the best in the industry at that. Thanks for checking out the 3 Series Gladiator by PhiBer.